So for my current project, I'm trying to make a shiny brass buckle, and I guess this could apply to any brass. Go from looking all shiny to looking old and antiqued. You can get brass antiquer, but I didn't have any. I didn't want to go find any. So what I did was I pulled from a few Instructables, and well, this is what I got. What you'll need is some acetone, some vinegar. I've got distilled white vinegar, boiling water, 400 grit sandpaper, or just some really fine sandpaper, and a rice cooker. You can get rice cookers at pretty much any thrift store or Goodwill. I got this one for about $3. You can do a rice cooker or a crock pot, just like a little crock pot, something that gets warm. And anyway, what you're going to want to do is soak this in acetone for a few minutes, just to remove any varnish that might be on it, and then dip it in boiling water to get the varnish, to come off. And when you pull it out of the boiling water, just wipe it off. If you still see some varnish, you might have to, do that a couple times, but it shouldn't take too long. And then you just hit it with some 400 grit sandpaper. You don't have to, but it makes it corrode a lot easier. This is one that I did that I didn't sand with 400 grit. It did get a little brown or a little darker, but it didn't tarnish as well as this one. I probably could have left it in for a little bit longer, but anyway. And once you got it kind of hit pretty good all around with your sandpaper, you just put a little bit of vinegar in the bottom of your rice cooker. I've got like a, something to keep it out of the vinegar, because if the vinegar vapor isn't getting on it, if it's just soaking in the vinegar, it's not going to do anything. But, you just set it on top of whatever you got in there. That's kind of in there, but whatever. Then you close the lid. And, that one was in there for about an hour, but after 20-30 minutes, check it. If it's not what you're looking for, just leave it in there for a little bit longer. Once you get it done, just pull it out and rinse it off with a little bit of hot water and wipe it off, and there you go. You've taken something that, people have told me would take hours, or, depending on what you're doing, sometimes a day or two, and you're doing it in about an hour. So yeah.